Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the so-called upcoming meeting function to receive a reminder before each meetings on the Webex Meet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen, then click on General. Scroll down till you find the notification section, and there is the upcoming meetings option that will guarantee that it will send you a reminder or a notification before each of your meetings. So turn it on by clicking on this button. You can turn it off anytime by going to this section and turning it off by clicking on the same button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.